Do you know the prepositions of time? Hello, it's me Nico from Just Pick Up English, and today's lesson is about prepositions of time. After you watch this video, you can download the worksheet from the link which I will have attached under the description of the video. We can divide prepositions of time into three parts: at, on, and in. Let's begin with at. We use at preposition for times of day, such as at 4 o'clock, at 10:30, at noon, at midnight. She gets up at 8 in the morning.
Good morning.
We use at also for meal times, such as at dinner time, at lunch time. At breakfast time, she drinks coffee. In addition, we can use at for holidays, such as at Christmas, at Easter, at the weekend. She does yoga at weekends. And finally, we use at for expressions such as at present, at the moment, and at night. She is making breakfast at the moment. Now let's go on with preposition in, which we can use for months. The weather is very hot in July. Seasons. She rides a bike in the summer. Years. She was studying at university in 2020. Decades. She was working for the company in the 2020s. Centuries. She was traveling a lot in the 21st century. Long periods. She used to read a lot in the past. And parts of the day. She used to love sleeping in the morning. The last preposition of time is on, which we can use for days, such as on Tuesday, on Christmas Day. She hangs out with friends on Sundays. We can use also on for dates. On 15th June. She took a bus on 15th July. And finally, we can use on preposition for parts of specific day, such as on Monday morning. On Monday morning, she went out for a walk. The lesson is over. But if you like the content, please don't hesitate to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because your support matters a lot. See you next.